Welcome. If you want to make your Instagram experience more accessible or just prefer watching videos with captions, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to always show closed captions on Instagram, so you never miss a word, no matter where you are or what you're watching. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner. Give that a tap to open up the menu options. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on it. Accessibility settings are designed to make Instagram easier to use for everyone, and this is where you'll find the caption controls. Inside the accessibility menu, look for the section called Caption. Tap on Caption to open up the caption preferences. Here's the important part. You'll see an option that says, Always Show Closed Captions. Tap on this option to enable it. Once this is turned on, Instagram will automatically display closed captions on all videos that support them, so you don't have to turn them on every time you watch something new. That's it. With just a few taps, you've made Instagram videos much more accessible and enjoyable. Whether you're watching stories, reels, or videos in your feed, captions will now appear by default whenever they're available. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and toggle the option off. But for now, enjoy a more inclusive Instagram experience with captions always on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. See you in the next video.